You. Whoa! That's a tank.
That's a good guy.
Yeah, it's a good guy.
Now there's 2 good guys.
Yeah.
And 5 Decepticons.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Go open another one.
What's this?
It's for you. That's for little Sam. When did you get this, Pepe?
Yes. That's silicone. And like the jewelers when I hear jewelers.
We went to the mall
I
yesterday?
didn't saw Santa. I didn't saw Santa.
You didn't see him? I saw that he ate your cookie.
Look at Cookie. I think he ate some of your cookies. Huh?
I know.
Oh, no.
It's going to be a game
Whoa.
for me.
Oh, what kind of game?
What? What? Oh man.
Let me see it.
I'm just saying it like Transformers.
That's Transformer Part 2. Let me see the front. Yeah, that's Transformer Part 2. Don't have that one.
But I would like Transformers. I see we like Transformers.
We still have more.
I think this is going to be like Transformers.
Let's just try it.
Somebody open it. Who open it?
Santa.
Why is Santa open it?
Santa has to wrap it.
Oh.
Which one is that?
It's like Transformers again.
Whoa!
What is that?
That's the light Transformer game. He wanted that one, Mommy.
Oh. Whoa.
Phones us in a trash, please.
You keep that too.
Why?
It's cool. That's the one you wanted, wasn't it, Sam?